My name is Brad Hall, and the Yeezy 500 High Slate, it is finally here. I'm gonna go in depth about that shoe today, and then I'm gonna try to answer the question, is the Yeezy 500 High a better winter shoe than the Low? I've been looking forward to this shoe for a while, in hand. It doesn't disappoint at all. The materials are so nice on this one. You've got neoprene instead of the mesh. You've got some very soft suede on that toe box and a really nice leather up around that ankle area. Now let's stay up there at the ankle area. This is a big change on this one. The Yeezy 500, it went from a low top to a high top, and I think it's a very nice change. It brings a lot of balance to the shoe. No longer is it bottom heavy, very evenly weighted on top of those materials and the extra height. You've got all the usual Yeezy 500 features, nice soft curves, really great lines, and then this slate colorway. It is a very sophisticated colorway. I saw a lot of articles saying this is a winterized version of the 500. Because of these materials and because of the height, it should be warmer. Earlier today, I was standing right near an open refrigerator with both of them on, and I will say it did feel a little bit warmer. There was no draft coming through the neoprene and my ankle. It felt really toasty, so it was warmer. But here's my recommendation if you're looking for a Yeezy 500 for the winter, and you already have this shoe, you can stick with the low top, but add some warmth to it. I'm always searching for innovations in shoe technology, and I found at an outdoors store, you can get a wrap that you wear on the shoe, keeps it insulated. That's gonna cover the ankle nicely and the mesh area, so you don't have to run out to get this one. That's the show today. 2 great options for winter, the Yeezy 500 High Slate and the 500 Low, wrapped in a down dog harness.